Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Callie Ware, and I am back with another video. Day 2 of the Tupac Shakur murder trial just wrapped up, and today was emotional, graphic, and at times extremely tense in that courtroom. And one of the biggest pieces of evidence shown to the jury today was that surveillance video from the MGM Grand. That video shows the altercation between Tupac's entourage and Orlando Baby Lane Anderson earlier that night. The same confrontation that prosecutors say ultimately set the stage for Tupac's murder. Now, prosecutors are arguing that this beating created the motive for retaliation, claiming that Dwayne Keefe D. Davis orchestrated the shooting as revenge for what happened to his nephew. But the courtroom also heard from witnesses who were clearly uncomfortable talking about what happened nearly 30 years ago. James McDonald, a former associate of Death Row Records, was subpoenaed to testify, but he repeatedly resisted questions and made it clear that he didn't want to put another black man in prison. And at one point, he even warned that he should be treated as a hostile witness. Then came some of the most difficult testimony of the day. Forensic pathologist Dr. Lisa Gavin testified about Tupac's fatal injuries, explaining the damages caused by the gunshot and the medical efforts it took to try to save him. The jury also was shown graphic autopsy photographs. Some members of Tupac's family left the courtroom before the photographs were displayed, while others stayed. Tupac's cousin said that seeing the details was painful, but that understanding exactly what happened could help his family finally process their grief after nearly 30 years. And that wasn't all. Former Death Row Security Chief Reggie Wright Jr. also testified and addressed the tensions surrounding Death Row and Tupac and the rivalry surrounding the music industry at the time. He denies any involvement in Tupac's murder. So where does this leave the case? The prosecution is continuing to build its argument that this was retaliation, that the confrontation at the MGM Grand was the catalyst that Davis helped organize the response. The defense, however, continues to challenge that narrative and David's credibility, arguing that the prosecution version of events is essentially fiction. And remember, Dwayne Keefe D. Davis has pled not guilty, and he is being accused of orchestrating the killing, not personally pulling the trigger. So day 2 definitely gave the jury more pieces of the puzzle, but we are still very early in this trial. And if you want to stay updated on what's happening next in the courtroom, make sure you follow me because this case is just getting started. Peace.